Hey everybody, Sean here, and welcome to Revealing Truth. And special thanks to Mark Scott for sharing this. The person we're looking at today is Jim Heidrick, and we've already done 5 videos on his bizarre and unbiblical things in the past. Some channels simply post short clips on their own with no commentary because they're so wacky. And that's what we're going to do today. He's going to tell us a story of being visited by 3 dead people that the NAR refer to as prophets. False prophet Bob Jones, Kim Clement, and John Paul Jackson.
And we honor the prophet in heaven in this place. It's very strange. You know, I had an encounter with God, and 3 prophets appeared in my living room. I didn't see them, just so I can be clear about this. But I heard their audible voice. I've never heard the audible voice of God, but I've heard the audible voice of 3 different prophets in my living room at like 4 o'clock in the morning. And I'm like, Lord, this is very strange. You're freaking me out here. But Bob Jones said something to me that I don't know what it was. I mean, well, I don't know what it means. But I'm not allowed to tell you until I figure out what it means. And it's been about 5 years, and I still don't know what it means. So I'm not going to talk about that. And then John Paul Jackson blew in my ear, and then Kim Clement said it's all about love. And I heard all of them audibly, but I did not see any of them. It's a very strange encounter. It's a mystical encounter. And I don't, okay, Jim, you're freaking me out. You're telling weird stories.
Well, you're not freaking me out. What's freaky is that people actually listen to and believe these crazy stories. So once again, we have to decide if Jim Heidrick is an outright liar or if he's being visited by demons, because Bob Jones is a proven false teacher and false prophet. And even if he was a true man of God, dead people don't come back and talk with the living, even if they are invisible like he says. And Scripture prohibits us from speaking to the dead. No Scripture supports his story at all. I'm really starting to believe that these people are actually having demonic encounters. And because they don't test the spirits, they believe this stuff. Anyhow, just a quick one today to add to Jim's collection of expose videos. So with that being said, leave your comments below, and until next time, take care and God bless.